Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I have brought some lessons for the beginners. I actually made a new chess account where I have made my rating as lowest as possible so that my opponent who will play against me, they will be a beginner. And the mistakes that my opponents will do, I will tell you, and I will tell you the best possible moves. Moreover, I will tell you that what could be the better move rather than that my opponent has done. So let's play the first game. The format is 3+2, which is a blitz game. Okay, so we see that my opponent is about 8-14, which is almost a beginner's rating. So he has played a d4, I have played d5. Okay, the theoretical move is there. The queen's gambit is there. I have just declined the gambit for him. Now he's thinking of knight. I take this one to give me a check because the possible bishop is already there. So they are the prayer moves that beginners plan or they follow the YouTube channels. But we must know that whenever we play, there are almost tens or millions of moves possible against your game. So we must be ready for every outcome that we play. Okay, now the best possible move for you that when you play at chess, your king must be very, very safe. And if you do castle, so it's the highest possibility that your king will be safe and your rook will be inside the game. Okay, so now if I capture this one, he will just move this one prior to this one so that he may attack it. And I have just allowed that, okay, you may just kindly do that because I am having a free piece. Now if we just take this one, I'll have another free piece. So these are the mistakes that when you do not know the opening, these possible mistakes you will do. The first lesson is this, that at least you must take a single opening, practice that one around 3 months or 4 months as much as you can, so that you must know that every possible moves or every possible defense against the opponent that do against you. Okay, so now he has just moved this one. If I just come over here, he will attack this one, I will attack, and this is also possible. Let's see if there is another best possible moves. According to me, there are 3 basic calculation ways. The first one is find the good move, then find the better move than that one. If you can't, then do the same one. So I know that this is a good move that I'll save this one. If it captures, my queen will be in the game and material will be equal and I will be a pounds higher than that one. But I'm looking for a better move. If it is possible, I would do that. If I just move over here and capture this, so the best possible move is the same one that I have done. Now if I capture with this one, I'll capture with the pawn, or I'll capture with my queen. But I'll capture with my pawn because my bishop path was totally closed. Now it is opened. Now the knight is totally pinned, it cannot move because the king is there. So the next lesson for you guys is this, that there is a concept for getting pin, or you can pin your opponent whenever you when your opponent is putting their pieces against or in face of their king, so you can attack with the bishops or you can pin them with the rooks. Now my opponent has done another blunder, which is giving a free queen. So I have told you the first lesson that whenever you move, at least be ready for a good move, better move, then move it. So he wasn't, I don't think that he would follow that theory at all. He just moved that and now he has lost the game. So I have given you 3 lessons. The first one is take an opening, practice for 3 months so that you may know all possible outcomes of your king opponent. Second is this, that pinning. If your opponent is pressing any possible piece again in front of their king, so you can pin them with your bishops and with the rooks. The third thing is this, that don't ever move your piece for attacking unless your king are safe. So my opponent was just attacking with the queens, I don't know. Now the queen was safe over there. Why did he move over there? There wasn't any attack made for me. He was thinking that he will come here and he will take this piece without calculating that the bishop is already there. So the best move was that he would do castle, bring the rooks over the game, this game all rooks also, then play the game. Okay, so I have won this game. I'm making short videos so that you guys may not get bored. Be ready for the next lessons for the beginners. Thanks a lot.